So good day guys, welcome back. So let's quickly take a look at this GBPJPY. I mean, if you take a look at this movement, there's only one movement we are still watching out for. You can see that this price has been ranging, especially when you want to take a look at the trend, right? Before you actually want to place a trade, the first question you want to ask yourself, especially on the daily time frame, when you check on the daily time frame, what is the trend for that movement? So we can see that this movement on GBPJPY, there's only one trend that you're making, which is a rangy market move. There are some that are giving us an uptrend move, some is giving us a downward trend move. But this GBPJPY is trending, right? We can see, I think this price started early 2022, right? So you can see early this year, this rangy market move started. So you can see price is actually ranging within this level, right? Then it got to a point that price actually broke out of this level. Then price came down to the same level. Then we saw kind of like a double top here. Price gave us a double top on this GBP We all know that after a double top, what do we expect? We expect a further drop. So price kind of um came to this same level right here. Price rejected its drop. Then price come up again to the same level. Then price rejected, and we had a bear drop on GBPJPY. So that is to tell that this is a bearish move. And secondly, is that if you take a look at our JPY or JPY index, there's a major news that was released today, which is on the 20th, that made our JPY to actually give us a bullish move. If you take a look at any other currency pairs trading to JPY, they all fell. So you can take a look at CAD JPY. You can see the drop that was made. If you take a look at Swiss franc JPY, you can see the drop. I think Swiss franc JPY made the most drop. I think so. This was about 500 pips, more than 500 pips. GBP JPY also gave us, I think it also gave us 600 pips. So GBP JPY actually gave us more drop, right? The reason is that you can take a look at this JPY index. So you consider this price actually went up, it spiked up. Now price has tested this level, right? What do we expect? Though we would continue our bullish move, there's no doubt about that JPY index will continue to give us that bullish move. Have that in mind, we would continue to see that bullish move. Thereby, we should be expecting a further drop on this GBP JPY. So as long as this JPY continues to give us further bullish move, then be expecting a further drop. But we would want to know where this price will be moving for the next day, which is 21. So in order to predict that, you see that this price is ranging, right? You can take a look at this its top to be the resistance, and you take a look at this bottom here to be the support. Now that this price is currently at our support level, what movement do you expect it to make? Of course, we expect it to actually go up. So now that the price has, let's sit here, come to this support level, get to this resistance level, kind of play around this resistance level. Now it has dropped. So we expect a like kind of like a bullish move around there. So the next day we should kind of see like a bullish move. Then after that bullish move has been made, maybe 1 or 2 days, we have that bullish move, and we can now continue our bearish move on GBPJPY. Like I said, GBPJPY will still continue the bearish move. But as at now, we expect kind of like a reaction or a pullback. And I do say it that if price has reacted to a level previously, right, multiple times, and price gets to that same level again, price will definitely react to that level. So you can see that price has been reacting to this support level, right? You can see a reaction once price came to this same level. We saw it went up, gave us that bullish move. Same thing with this level. We saw it react to this level and it went up. And here again, the same thing, we have played to this level and it gave us a bullish move. Same here, and you can see it's same here. Now we can see that price is at this level, so we expect a reaction. Thereby, it should give us a bullish move as a pullback. Not that it will give us that bullish move to take our resistance, but we expect this bullish move to be a pullback. Then you can now continue our drop. And another way you can see it is that you can take a look at this as a drop on GBPJPY. You would now see this to be a pullback, right? Then you would now take to be this as a drop, then a pullback. After that, this is a drop. Now that we've gotten this drop, we are now expecting a pullback. So GBPJPY the next day also, we expect a pullback. Well, when you take a look at this 4-hour time frame, I think the 4-hour time frame is starting to give us that pullback. So let's see if the pullback will be over. Once the pullback is over, then expect a further bearish move. So GBPJPY above all, we will still be dropping. We are expecting a bearish move. But first of all, this pullback needs to be over. then we will continue our drop for the day.